BlackRock is not just an investment firm. It is the most powerful financial structure ever created. A system that quietly controls trillions of dollars, shapes global markets, influences governments, and directs the future of entire industries. Most people have no idea how deep its influence goes, or how much of the modern economy is touched by a single company operating almost entirely in the shadows. This video breaks down how BlackRock became the hidden empire behind the global financial system, and how it gained the kind of power that even nations struggle to match. With more than $10 trillion under management, BlackRock holds ownership stakes in companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, Exxon, JP Morgan, Pfizer, Coca-Cola, and thousands more. When people think they own their stocks through retirement accounts, index funds, or ETFs, the truth is far more complex. BlackRock votes on their behalf. BlackRock controls the shares. BlackRock decides the direction. Through passive investing, ETF flows, and voting power concentrated inside a few giant funds, BlackRock has positioned itself as the ultimate corporate decision-maker. They influence CEO appointments, executive pay, environmental policies, mergers, and long-term strategy across a huge portion of the global economy. When you look under the surface, the free market doesn't look so free anymore. But that is only one layer of the story. Behind the scenes, BlackRock operates Aladdin, a risk management AI network that watches over more than $20 trillion in global assets, double what BlackRock itself owns. Governments, banks, hedge funds, insurers, and major corporations depend on Aladdin for financial modeling and decision-making. No other private company in history has ever had this much visibility into the world's financial flows. Then there is the political influence. BlackRock executives regularly move in and out of government positions, shaping regulations they later benefit from. During crises, central banks and governments turn to BlackRock to manage emergency programs, debt purchases, and bailout operations. When volatility strikes, BlackRock is often the first call, giving it the kind of access and influence most companies could only dream of. Through ETFs, passive investing dominance, Aladdin's surveillance network, shareholder voting control, and deep political connections, BlackRock has quietly built a structure more powerful than traditional banks, more influential than many governments, and more deeply embedded in the world economy than any corporation in history. This video dives into the mechanisms behind this power, how BlackRock became the world's largest asset manager, why passive investing concentrates market control, how shareholder voting gives BlackRock corporate authority, the role of Aladdin and its global risk network, the political and regulatory relationships shaping the system, and why this new form of financial power is rewriting capitalism itself. Whether you're an investor, a creator, a student of economics, or someone simply trying to understand the world, this is a story you need to know. The rise of a financial empire bigger than countries, hidden in plain sight.